Hello, folks. This is the answer to the simulation assignment, specifically to the first question, the one about the loose keys in my pocket. I have 8 keys, okay, and they're loose in my pocket. I don't know which one will open the door. I'm going to try one key randomly, and if it works, great, I'm done. If it doesn't work, I'm going to set it aside and pick another key from my pocket until I get in, okay? We're going to answer questions like, what's the expected number of tries on average? Am I going to have to try 3 keys on average, 4 keys? And what's the probability it takes me more than 4 tries? All right. We need to make a plan for how to use the digits in the table. All right. We need to assign one of these digits to be the correct key. It doesn't really matter. I'll try to make it a little convenient for myself. I'm going to say 2. This really determines most of my outcome, okay? 2 is going to be the correct key. Okay? Then I have 8 keys total. So I'm going to then make these wrong keys. And if you count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's good, because right here I have 8 keys total, okay? I'm good. The thing that can be confusing though is, what do I do with the 0 and the 1? Okay? We ignore these. They are not keys, okay? They are not keys. They don't actually exist, okay? So if I come across a 0 as I'm doing this, I ignore it. Also, I'm going to be careful to specify that I will ignore repeat numbers. Why? Because if I try a key and it doesn't work, I'm setting it aside. I'm not going to try it twice. Okay? So how does this look in practice? I'm going to be essentially going through the row looking for a 2. When I find a 2, I'm done. I'm going to ignore 0s and 1s, and I'm going to ignore repeats of the green ones. Okay, so let's see. Dive in. First trial. 6 is not a good key, right? 6 is right here. 4 is not a good key. 8 is not a good key. 3 is not a good key, right? All of those are here, right? 6, 8, 4, and 3. Not in that order, but there you go. Now, here's where it gets tricky. 1 is the next number. You might say, oh, that's not the right key. And you put a little dash to count it, but you don't count it, right? 0 and 1 are not keys. Just kind of blot it out. It never happened. It's not a key, so you couldn't try it in the door. Then we have a 7. That's a new number. We haven't tried that yet. Now here, I get to an 8, but I've already tried this 8, and I said ignore repeats. So I had already taken that key out of my pocket, so I'm not going to try it again. 5, that's a key I haven't tried. Blot out this 5, because I just tried a 5, okay? Blot out this 8, right, because I already tried this 8. So this is about as complicated as it can get, and it's my first trial. And there's my 2, winner, winner. 2 was my correct key. So the ones I blotted out were either repeats, or they were a 0 or a 1. And then how many did I have to try? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? That's about as long as it can take, because I only have 8 keys. Okay? Moving on. What does that say there? That's a 5. Okay. Next trial. 5 is not a good key. 9 is not a good key. 6, bad key. 1, that's a number that I ignore. Right? 1 is that. 0, cross it off. That's another one that I ignore. 7, bloop. I can try that. Now I'm at a 6, and I notice 6 was already tried right here. so I ignore the repeats. I put that key in my pocket already. 1 and 0, these next two numbers, are not keys. No, I'm at a 7. Okay. 7 has already been tried, so ignore it. Now I'm at a 5. 5 has already been tried. 4, that's a new one. 6, it's already been tried, right? 6 was already tried right there. 4, already tried. 8, that's a new one. 5, already tried. 3, that's a new one. And 2. I'm starting to regret having chosen a 2 to be my correct key. I could have chosen any of these numbers to be my correct key, and it might have made this process easier. But here I am. I'm going to persevere. So that trial was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trials. I had to try all 8 keys. That's as bad as it gets. All right, moving on. 6 is a key. 3 is a key. 4 is a key. 3 is a repeat. 3 is a repeat. 6 is a repeat. 3 is a repeat. 9, there we go. 8, there we go. 4 is a repeat. 0 doesn't exist. 2, woo, winner, winner, there it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is honestly about as bad as my first 3 trials could go, as difficult as they could go. Man, look at this. I should have glanced at this. Like, I don't see many 2s. Oh well, we're going. 4, 3, 7. 1 doesn't exist. 5, 3 is a repeat. 5 is a repeat. 4 is a repeat. 8 is not a repeat. 0 doesn't exist. 1 doesn't exist. 4 is a repeat. 8 is a repeat. Oh my goodness, 5's a repeat. 5's a repeat. 7's a repeat. 8's a repeat. 4 is a repeat. 5's a repeat. Yuck, yuck, yuck. 1 doesn't exist. 1 doesn't exist. Have I done a 7 yet? Yes, I've done a 7. A 9. I have not done a 9. And a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've done this question many times. I've never, ever taken this many trials to get. Look, 7, 8, 6, 7. It's really, really unlikely. All right, keep going. 3, 8, 6, 5, 9. Those are all not working. 9's a repeat, and then I get to my 2. So that is 6. But at least it wasn't so difficult to get to. Next trial, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. 2 keys, 6, 2. Next trial, 0 doesn't exist. 4 is a key, 8's a key, 2. There we go. Feeling better about life right now. 3. 5, 3, 0's not a key. 5's a repeat. 3 is a repeat. 7, 0's not a key. 8 is a new key. This 0's not a key. 4 is new. 1 is not a key. This 1 is not a key. Now I'm at the 6. That's a new one. 5 is a repeat. Right here's my 5. This is where my trial started, right there. 9 is a new key. 8 is a repeat. It was right here. 5 is a repeat. 4 is a repeat. 3 is a repeat. 3 is a repeat. 9's a repeat. 2. There's another bad one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, look at that. How lucky. I've had 2 trials where I had to use all 8 keys. Oh, heaven is shining down on us. Look at this. First try. Bam. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Look at this. 1 and 0 and 0. Those aren't keys. That's not a key. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat, repeat. 5. Repeat. 6. Repeat, repeat. 5 is a new number. 8's a repeat. 3 is a repeat. Man. 5's a repeat, and there's my 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my. This is unusual, folks. You might want to go back and not do it 2 as your correct key. All right, 82, finally an easy one. 2 trials. Oh yes, 2. That was 1 trial. Oh, those make me so happy. All right. Then 4, 8, 9, repeat. 0's not a key, 0's not a key. 3, 6, 4, and 8 are repeats. 3 is a repeat, 4 is a repeat, 8's a repeat, 6 is a repeat. 1 doesn't exist. I might not assign this one next year, folks. You heard it here. 5's new, 4 is a repeat, 6 is a repeat, 8's a repeat, 0 don't exist. 6 is a repeat. 4, sure enough, it's a repeat. 7 is new. I don't know if I'm doing this too quickly, right? There's no 7s there. 9, repeat. 1 don't exist. 3 is a repeat. 1 doesn't exist. 6, yep, it was right here. 4, yep, right there. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I've done all the keys so far, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've done every key but 2. So I can essentially ignore everything until I get to the next 2. And I know that it took me all 8 trials. I might run out of room in my table. Here we go. That trial was short and sweet. That was 3. 5, repeat. 6, 4, 7, 9. 4 is a repeat. 2. All right, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2. Yay, an easy one. 1. Thank the maker. 8, 6, 9, 7. 0's not a key. 7 is a repeat. 3. 8's a repeat. 8's a repeat. 0 doesn't exist. 4 is new. Repeat. 5. New. 6. Repeat. 8. Repeat. 7. Repeat. 8. Repeat. 5. Repeat. 3. Repeat. There we go. Was that all 8 again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it was. Okay. 2 more trials. Then I'm going to just go take a nap. Nope. 1, 2, 3, repeat, repeat. 4, repeat, doesn't exist. Repeat, repeat, doesn't exist, doesn't exist. New key there. Repeat, new key there. 9 is a new key. 7's a repeat. 1 doesn't exist. 1 doesn't exist. 5 is a repeat. 9's a repeat. 1 don't exist. 2. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My goodness. I don't think it could be. I don't think I could get much higher numbers than this. 0 doesn't exist. 1, 2, 3. Take a deep breath, folks. We did it. All right, to get the expected number, you're going to add them up, the numbers in the table. So 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6, 2, 3, 8, 1, 8. Just double checking my work as I go. 2, 1, 8, 3, 6. 2, 1, 8, 8, 3. $98. So 98 are 20 trials. So my average is 4.9 attempts. Attempts on average. That's probably one of the higher results you're going to get. What's the probability it took more than 4 tries? Well, let's just highlight those. More than 4 does not include 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. 11 out of 20 on your calculator is 55%. All right, folks, thanks for your hard work and persevering and getting all 20 of those trials. I'm sorry if you used a 2 like I did. See you later.